Happy Valentine's Day. This day only comes but once a year, and when it's come, it means time to spread love. Give those you know a big hug and a few chocolates. So I'm giving you this cookie recipe which will melt in your mouth to show you my love, guys. It's very easy to make and I hope you're going to give it a try. So in my mixing bowl, I added in egg yolks, sugar, flour, a pinch of salt, a pinch of baking powder, and softened butter. I'll list the exact amount of the ingredients that I used in the comment section or in the description box below. So once everything has come together, transfer it on your work surface and knead it for about 3 minutes. Don't exaggerate. Once everything has come together, divide it into 2 equal parts and keep one aside. But please wrap it with a cling film and put it in the fridge to rest for at least 20 minutes. So the other one, I added in red food color and then mixed till well combined as demonstrated in the video. I kept that one aside too. Please make sure you wrap it with a cling film and let the dough rest for at least 20 minutes in the fridge. After 20 minutes, go ahead and flour your work surface, transfer one of the dough on it, and then sprinkle a little bit of flour on it as well. When done, just make sure you try your best to shape it in a square shape and do the red one as the same. So I use a cookie cutter, like a heart-shaped cookie cutter, to cut the heart shape as demonstrated in the video. And then all you have to do is to take it out and then use the red one, like you exchange it. Put the red one in place of the white one or the vanilla one, and then change it as seen in the video. It's very easy and it's so delicious. This cookie will literally melt in your mouth. You love it once you try it. Just look at it. When done, try your best to shape it well and then use a heart shape, the bigger one, something like same as shape but bigger than what you used to take out the middle, and that's what you're looking for. It should be something like this when done, guys, and you're good to go. Bake this bad boys at 180 degrees Celsius from 14 to 16 minutes, and after 16 minutes, just look at it, guys. Look at this. This is beautiful. Not just beautiful, this will melt in your mouth and it's delicious. Make this for your loved ones and trust me, they're going to love it. I hope you really enjoyed watching this video, and I know you're going to give me a thumbs up, and I know you're going to share this video. Let's grow up in our channel together. See you today.